What is going on, guys? We got a random video going on, and I just wanted to do a video on something. And just to show you guys what I actually have going on is there's my PC build. It's pretty dark, so you can't see that. I actually have Hackintosh running, but actually, let's explain what I really wanted to have going on. But we got the fat boys. There's Caden. Caden, say yeah. He did a backflip. There's KJ. What you doing, KJ? He's running. He's running. Yeah. Say Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Yeah. He took him down. Fat boy, get up, get up, get up, fat, get up. You gotta get up, fat. Fat, get up, get up. Tickle KJ. Tickle Caden, fat. Tickle him, fat. Tickle him. Kaden, let him get up. Let him get up. Tickle him, fat.
Yo, camera.
It's the camera. Yeah, camera, boy. Say, I'm Caden. And I KJ. Say, I'm KJ.
I KJ.
Say, I'm KJ.
I KJ, but KJ.
Huh?
I KJ.
You're not KJ, you're Caden. And there's KJ. Say, yeah. Alright, guys, I'm going to go back to explaining my Hackintosh stuff, alright? Yo, I'm going to play toys. Yeah. Say, I'm KJ. Alright, guys, this guy got a chair. What are you doing? Alright. Alright, so yeah, I'm installing Hackintosh Mac OS. I don't know how to actually pronounce the one. It's called Mojave. So yeah, I'm getting Mojave running on the PC. It's actually a little bit harder. It's not as easy as you might think it is. It's not. You just install it and everything works. You have to get everything working by yourself. Like right now, luckily I have a MacBook. I was actually doing this before by running a VMware on the PC as well. And running in the VMware, I was doing Mac OS VM. And I mean, it was really helpful, but it was the fact that, you know, when I had a problem, I had to reboot the computer into Windows to use the VMware and the Mac OS VMware. So now it's easier because I have a MacBook that I can just, you know, if I have a problem on here, I run into an issue, I can just go down here and fix whatever up on the USB and then throw it back in the computer. But but right now I had it running. Actually, it's copying files right now. I'm gonna keep it going. It's copying the files so I can actually boot into Mac OS. I actually had it running, but I screwed up the boot process. So I have to refix it on the USB. So we'll be right back when I have the new bootloader running. Alright, yeah, I still got my Team Nissan shirt on. I didn't mean to point my middle finger. But my whole thing with trying to do this is I used to just do it for fun, but then I thought it may be a lot easier when it comes to editing and having more storage for my videos. But yeah, editing will be the best one because of the graphics card that I have. I will be able to do twice as more. I will be able to put it out in 4K and all that. But I actually ran into an issue, and I haven't been editing none of my videos with my MacBook just because every time I ran a video with this camera through iMovie, some reason why iMovie would, like, when I start to put like a bunch of things together, like I had a music going, I had the green screen going, I'll have the videos, like the overlay videos going, it would slow down the whole editing process. Like the computer would move really slow. So I had the laptop at work today, and I ended up taking the bottom plate off, exposing, you know, the motherboard, the hard drive, and all that, and actually was able to use the air pressure, the hard air pressure, to blow out a lot of dust. And I don't even think my fan was even working, because for some reason my computer is not heating up like it would around the hard drive area. Aside from all that, yeah, Hackintosh, I'm trying to install that, so I have another platform to edit at. This will be my on-the-go editing, and then when I'm home, I can get a lot of content done, because I want to, like, I've been dying to get some content done, especially with these little guys. You know, say hi. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi.
I want to watch Captain America.
You want to show them Captain America? This is Caden's Captain America. Move over here.
I want to watch
You
it.
gotta come over here.
I want to watch it.
You want to watch this?
Yeah.
We're going to watch it soon. Daddy's going, edit it! Daddy's going to edit it, and it's going to be on YouTube. Say bang.
Big.
Say it fat, go bang. You gotta go like this. Bang. Go like this. Bang.
Bang.
Do it fat. Bang.
Bang.
He gonna get it one day. Mwah. Yeah, I'm still waiting on it. It's copying the files. It does take a little bit, because it's actually making a bootable flash drive. Well, a whole OS. So, alright, this time I really mean I'll see you guys when it's actually done. Alright guys, so now I actually have the bootloader. I got it back. I had the thing installing on there, and now it's back on here. So what I'm going to do is hit this one right here, press enter, and now we're going to be entering Mac. And I can't get iMovie to open, and it's because it has to do, like, you know, you have drivers for Windows. It's like a kex that's missing for the graphics card to read officially. But here's Mac OS on a whatchamacallit. Let's see if we can get an update through this. I'm gonna show you guys Mac OS. It's on let's do that. See? Yeah, block my serial number. There we go. It was called out Captain because, like I said, I was running Mac OS on this PC before, and that was the last thing I had. But look, who wouldn't want this on Mac OS? So that's what I'm trying to get right now. Like I said, I'm having troubles with this right now, so I'm going to try to figure this out and continue this video when I do. Alright guys, I'm going to probably just end it here. I'm back on this. I'm going to try to start a new Mojave installer and just try to do like completely new, because like I said, it came from my El Captain. I don't know how you really pronounce it. All I know is I call it El Captain. But all I know is I went on to a forum to get some tips, and you know, they said that the process that I used was like a bunch of stuff piled together. So they said I should try to use something else. So what I'm gonna try is formatting what I have. Now I'm actually getting into the boot screen. I might not cancel it now that I see this booting up. Let's see if I can delete the partition and then restart over. Hey, scratch that, guys. I'm just going to end it here. I'm going to try that other method that the guy has told me about, and I'm going to clear my hard drive up and everything and just start all fresh. But hit that subscribe button, turn the bell notification button in order to be alerted when the new content's coming out, because it's definitely coming out. You don't want to miss it, and you don't want to miss Fat Boy. Also, smash that like button and drop a comment down below on what you think about the video and any helpful tips that you have, and if you want to get started on something like this. But for that, from me and KJ and Kaden, do me a favor, have a blessed holiday. Thank you for watching. Boom.